Huge shout out to all the boys here at Premium. The van turned out super rad, just like the rendering, which is awesome when you can take a rendering, pass it off to these guys here, and they can turn it into reality. It doesn't get any better than that.
Back again, it's not even the morning anymore. We wasted a lot of time because we had a lot of appointments, but we're back. We're gonna finish this up today. Moment right here.
There's a moment of truth right here. I just walk out at the perfect time.
What do you think?
What am I looking for?
I like this side more just because it flows from the doors. The idea behind this side was just seeing if we can get those two to end up at the same point with total disregard for the rest of it. But it throws off a lot, and instead you're good here, but you're off on both sides here, whereas opposed to you're good here, you're a little bit off here, but you're much better coming across and it looking more fluent that way.
You know, my favorite thing about this side is like, for some reason that, like the little bubble, how it just looks like it's like like a drip. Yeah, ends or like a little drip.
Here we are, and not end.
Yeah.
There we go.
The thing we didn't take into account for is the we didn't have these lines. On the other side we didn't have those.
Yeah.
So we didn't think about that when we did the other side. But the crazy thing is too, is like we weren't really too focused on trying to line all of this up. But for some reason,
it did really, yeah, it's pretty lined up.
It just like lined up by itself, and I was like,
there we go.
Oh yeah, let's do it.
So you guys already saw us do that side, mainly David. David did most of that side, pretty much all solo. You don't really need to see us do it again.
So I mean, we already got it done. Today we have throttle coming again, maybe lending a hand or two, but we gotta get right into it. Got our plan. We're gonna trim off a little from the bottom. Well, basically all the white regardless, because we don't need any of the white. And then we're gonna trim off about 1 inch to 1.5 inches on the bottom section so we can cover the railing, the little part that doesn't have the railing overhang on the other side. So that way it should look like there's no white left. Hopefully, fingers crossed. There we go.
Oh, logo's here.
What's up?
What up, dude? How are you?
We're getting things prepared.
Just the roof.
Yes, yes.
Nice. God, these colors are so good.
So nice. Fancy seeing y'all here.
Today's the day, huh?
Today's the day.
It's looking sick.
Thank you.
It's not even a wait, but we're getting there.
That's the wheels for the van? What the?
Oh God, no. Now, I'm gonna find the next piece in the box of goodies. Sprinkles are on. How'd you feel about that?
Sprinkles are on, and I am ready to start the other side. It looks good, actually. It looks really busy.
Yeah.
So, and we're not even done. There's still more stuff that's kind of
Yep,
on
there's
here.
still more, and David's doing this.
Everybody's busy.
Everybody's doing this. David's knocking out the purple. There's gonna be some logos there as well.
Except Victor. Victor's not doing anything.
And we're up front here.
These are 3 different sizes, 3 different shapes, all the same word,
Masterpiece.
but really hard to make them look
Straight.
There we go. That's looking nice.
That's
Good
what it
job.
needed right there.
Absolutely.
Logo. Been waiting all this time for it to come together. I just did it.
Yeah, I done did it. Good, look at this.
That video was done the next day.
We're ready to go Monday.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Hey, part-timers,
Wow.
what's up? Welcome back.
What up? Damn, that really freaking takes a cake, huh? That was
All the
bad.
sprinkles go a long way.
Oh yeah, all the
Yeah.
sprinkles too.
Damn, like, it looks so different from my. It was just yesterday I seen
Yep. David. What'd you think of this project?
What a nightmare, guys. Never again. I mean, the thing that was very difficult about this project is lining everything up, making sure everything was cool, and on top of that, getting the material to stick. But you know what? We made it happen. Thank you, bro. I really appreciate it.
It's all part of the game. We all stuck together. Anthony put some work in.
Oh, yeah.
Everybody put a lot of work into this. And hey, I think the finished product speaks for itself. What was your favorite part?
The throttle logo looks dope. It looks really good, but the sprinkles on top is.
I knew he was gonna say sprinkles. Yeah.
Like SeaWorld or
Universal
Disneyland or
Studios.
something. Universal Studios.
It's Simpsons Land. It's where's Chief Wiggum at?
Huge shout out to all the boys here at Premium. The van turned out super rad, just like the rendering, which is awesome when you can take a rendering, pass it off to these guys here, and they can turn it into reality. It doesn't get any better than that. So we love the colors, it's super vibrant. The coverage is awesome. This is a lot of vinyl coverage. So if any of you guys have ever wrapped anything before, you can respect the amount of work that's been put into this.
Gotta give a shout out to everyone from Throttle. They actually came in, got their hands dirty with us, wrapped some stuff.
Much
so,
respect.
You know what? Much respect to everyone at Throttle. Make sure to go ahead and subscribe to their channel and go ahead and drop us a comment about what you think about this wrap.
By the way, if you don't already know, every 100,000 subscribers, we give away a full wrap. So I mean, if you want to help us get there,
And like I said, if you guys are in Puerto Rico, Hawaii, I want to go to New York, so you know what? If you guys are there, just make sure to subscribe.
and then get like all of your other friends that
To
also live there to
subscribe as well.
subscribe.
Thank you.